Hi guys. In the previous post, we showed you how create an account and use MongoDB Atlas. Today, we're going to show you how to install and use MongoDB on the server version. Go to the link to download MongoDB. The tutorials and description links we'll leave at the description of the video. Go to the product section. Please select the appropriate MongoDB version download. There are two versions, the enterprise version and the community version. Here we will choose the community one. For academic and research purposes, please click on the download button. Then pull down and select the appropriate MongoDB version with your OS. Click on the download button. Then let's open the installation folder and proceed with the installation. Choose Run. Choose Next. Click on I accept and choose Next. I choose Custom. Select the installation folder. Choose Next. Next again and install. And let's wait a few minutes. Choose Finish. To check if we have successfully installed, let's create and try to connect. The MongoDB server is on our own. Here I'm using Studio 3T. Select New Connection and we will fill the URL. Here's the local one. The message on the screen says, "We've successfully connected." Choose a name for our connecting. The example I put here is Master Guide. Next, let's try to create a new DB. And we'll try to create a new collection. Let's try the query. So that we install MongoDB has been successfully completed. In addition, let's take note. In the installation directory of MongoDB has been folder containing things that are configurations for MongoDB. By the way, we also data folder. Here we can see it. That is the kind of database that MongoDB is using. In later versions, after the 3-point version is yretiger1 and lock folder to record the lock logs. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.